Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. How you all? I hope you all are doing great. Today we will talk about money and its characteristic. I will also try to explore types of money. Now, what is money? Money is any item or medium of exchange. It is accepted by people for the payment of goods and services as well as for the repayment of loans as well. Now we will understand characteristic of money. First is money as a unit of count. Money serves as a common measure of value for goods and services. Next, money as a store of value. It means हम इसको save करके रख सकते हैं for the future. Money retain its worth over time. Next, money as a standard of deferred payment means it allow people to agree on a future transaction. It's a way of promising. Next, two main types of money is commodity money and the fiat money. Commodity money क्या है? Commodity money is basically directly linked to the physical commodity. Likewise, your gold or silver that used as a money. The value of the money was tied to the value of underlying commodity. For example, a gold coin we have. The value of gold coin is related with money. Next, the fiat money, whereas is currency that does not consist an intrinsic value. Now, money multiply effect. First in that is a fractional reserve banking in which सभी बैंकों को अपने पास कुछ fractional रखना पड़ता है. Rest they can be loaned out. In initial deposit, for example, a person deposit 1,000 in a bank, then must keep a portion and can lend out the remaining part. Now, loan creation happens 100 rupees from 1,000 and lend out the 900 to the borrower. Now we'll talk about the function of a money. The basic and the most important function is money is to enable trade to take place in an economy without any problem of a double coincidence. Money creates a transaction in an economy. It is a most important mean of exchange. It's a tool in an economy that allows smoothness in the functioning. Money serve as a standard measure for pricing and enable individuals to store value over time. These functions contribute to the efficiency and effectiveness of the economy transaction in a society. Now, we will discuss money supply in an economy. Central bank uses monetary aggregates to check out the money supply in an economy. There are two types of monetary aggregates. First one is the M1 and next one is the M2. M1 वो सब करेंसी है जो पब्लिक के पास है, plus demand deposit with the banking system, plus other deposit with the RBI as well. Next, M2 consists M1 plus saving deposit of post office as well. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you find my content relevant, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and keep commenting. Your commenting means a lot.